Hi fellow viewers, to everybody. Good evening. My name is Steve. My full name and complete name is Steve Ho Ong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, you can find this in the app in Google Play Store or Apple Store. The name is YouTube mismong app. Okay. By the way, this video is for fellow Kapampangans, or known as in the province of Pampanga. By the way, I'm referring to the topic Pampanga Mega Dike. The topic. Because I have some good news and solution for this. Not necessarily traffic, but during evening. Okay. By the way, I have some good news for you to people from the province of Pampanga about the Pampanga Mega Dike. Ang nakikita kong problem sa Pampanga Mega Dike is sa gabi is napansin ko okay ang cemented road, walang problema, pero may dalawang kulang. First is, bakit ang concrete barrier kulang? Yes, may kulang. Alam ko ang coverage, municipality of Orac and Bacolor. Yun po. Yan ang unang kulang. Ang second kulang, bakit walang post light? Kasi meron akong nakikitang solution para ma-solve na itong problem na ito to avoid road rage accident. Ang nakikita kong problem is road safety. Sa gabi may nakita na akong solusyon. Ito ay tinatawag na solar post light. I recommend there must be solar post light para avoid accident. Bakit? Kasi kung wala yan, nakakatakot. Kasi you will just drive, you're driving in the highway, walang posting ilaw. Ito, kaya ko ni-recommend solar post light kasi wala nang babayar ang kuryente. Ang disadvantage lang, may dadaan lang ng installation. Halimbawa, you install a post light on that highway, see to it na may sunlight energy. Yun. Kasi kung dadaan pa ng electric cooperative, di gagastos na naman, another labor cost. So yun po ang nangyayari. Kaya I was thinking na para ma-solve na itong problem na ito, kailangan masolusyonan na po ito, magtayo at mag-install ng solar post light. Yan lang. Simple as that. Pero alam ko ang problema ninyo. Of course, dadaan ng coordination, dadaan sa municipal mayors, and of course, provincial government. Alam ko po yan, may dadaan pang bidding. Ang sa akin lang, recommendation. Yan lang. Concrete barriers and solar post light. Para ang 56 kilometer highway ma-solve na sa lalong madaling panahon. I know it will take time. It has so many process and alam ko maraming papeles ko-comply. I understand that and I respect for it. So yan lang po. Yan lang po ang nakikita kong solution sa Pampanga Mega Dike Highway. Kasi kung hindi yan masolusyonan, that will be a big problem in the future. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good evening.